Okay, in this lesson we are going to learn how to log into the iPage cPanel. The cPanel is the control panel. This panel has all the functionality that's going to allow you to create your website. So let's go ahead and log into iPage and access the control panel. First, go to iPage.com. So type in www.ipage.com. Once you are on the iPage website, go to Login. Click Login. Okay, just waiting for that login page to come up. Okay, once we are on the login page, you need to type in your username. If you recall, in the last video, I said an email with your credentials would be emailed to you. In that email, there will be a username. Usually it's going to be your domain name without the period. So my domain name is joshuamwalker.com. Therefore, my username is joshuamwalker.com. I simply take out the dot. So it's joshuamwalker.com. Again, your username is going to be in that email that was sent to you when you signed up for a hosting account. Now go down to the password and type in your password. Again, that password would have been emailed to you when you signed up for your hosting account. So let me just go ahead and type in my password. Now click Login. The first screen you should see when you log into iPage should be the control panel. It says right here, control panel. If you do not see the control panel when you first log in, then click on the little home icon on the top. The home icon will always take you to the control panel. Thank you.